This one's going long.
There we go.
You all see the jump?
Yeah.
I got it first.
Look at her. She's like,
Mine. I don't know. I think Doc grabs onto it for help from her mother. I don't think.
No, she just wants to stick. Just like it was on. I can throw it up here on the grass and prove it if you don't believe me.
At least God has enough respect to do it down there.
Watch out, she's gonna shake.
now that's teamwork.
Woo! Ruby!
Come on.
Get it!
Boing. Come on, Dot. Boing. Good.
I think Dot needs some help.
He's okay swimming. He's crazy cat. He will get some back.
Hey, over here!
Yeah, over there. Okay, now I got a good position of the opening over here.
Get it! Get it, Diddy!
Yay!
Good job, girls. Come on. Come on. He's got dotted line. Ready? Woo! Big job.
Oh, thank God I got the stick. Is that both of them grunting?
Snorting and stuff, yeah. Ready? Here goes. Right under. Get over there, Ruby. Go, 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 go. Go, Ruby. Go, 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 go. She's struggling. She's struggling. She got it now. She got it. Come on, Diddy. Up you go. Oh, shit. Let me throw you back in the water. Come on, Diddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. That was a big swim for you. Should have had a head-on shot for that one.